Friends, previous day we learned about what is multiplication, repeated addition, then terms of multiplication, multiplicand, multiplier and product. Today we will learn how to solve two-digit number by one-digit number multiplication. Let's see the problem. First, "12" is two-digit number. 1, 2. Place value of 2 is ones and place value of 1 is tens. Here 4 is one-digit number and place value of 4 is 4. First, we have to multiply ones to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. We have to write the answer 8. Then 4 multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. We have to write 4 here. Again I am explaining. First we have to multiply 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. And again we have to multiply 4 with 1. 4 1s are 4. Answer of the multiplication question is 48. Let's solve another multiplication problem. 12 is two-digit number, 8 is one-digit number. First we have to multiply 8 with 2. 8 2s are 16. As like addition problem, we will write only 6 here and keep in mind 1. Then 8 ones are 8. We will add this one with 8 and answer will be 96. The multiplication answer will be 96. Let's try again. 12 multiply 8. 8 2s are 16. Hand in 1. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1. Hand in 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Answer will be 96. We are going to learn about three-digit numbers by one-digit number multiplication. Let's operate the problem. 123 is three-digit number and 4 is one-digit number. First we multiply 4 with 4. 4 4s are 16. We will write 6 here and keep in mind 1. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 and hand in 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Then answer will be 96. Again, no more today. Thank you very much.